Hello. You are watching Rahmat English Research Centre. Here, you will find easy ways to learn and understand English. Our goal is to strengthen your English skills. So, let's get started. Question 2. Day 04 Notes. Speaking practice with present tense. Describe your daily routine using the present tense. Example sentences. I wake up at 6 a.m. I brush my teeth. I take a shower. I get dressed for school. I eat breakfast with my family. I leave for school at 7:30 a.m. I attend my classes. I play with my friends during the break. I eat lunch at noon. I return home at 3 p.m. I do my homework in the evening. I help my parents with household chores. I play games with my siblings. I read a book before dinner. I eat dinner with my family at 8 p.m. I watch TV for a while. I prepare my school bag for the next day. I talk to my friends on the phone. I go to bed at 10 p.m. I fall asleep while thinking about my day. Instruction to students. Use similar sentences to describe your own daily routine. Speak aloud to practice your pronunciation and fluency. If you like this video, please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Rahmat English Research Centre. Do share your feedback and suggestions in the comments. Thank you.